Hey guys, it's me, Tina Marie, true meaning of radiance. Lighting's going to be off for a few videos and I have no makeup on. Excuse me. Sorry about that. No makeup on, lighting's off. Everything's great, huh? Yeah, no. Okay, I'm trying to figure out my lighting for my new room and angles. I'm trying to figure out recording angles for y'all. I ain't got no angles, you know. So I'm trying to figure this out. So please be patient with me while I figure this out, because baby girl, I don't have it together right now. So today's video, we're going to be talking all about the SAS. Let me grab my phone. So I got my notes in my phone. So it's all about the SAS. As you guys know, the SAS is going to be coming up. If you don't know what an SAS is, because a lot of people say, what is SAS? SAS is semi-annual sale. Bath and Body Works has it, Yankee Candle has it, Victoria's Secret has it, The Body Shop has it. Like a lot of different places has SASs, but there's only two SASs we care about on this channel. And the two of those are Victoria's Secret SAS and Bath and Body Works SAS. Those are the only ones we care about. The rest of them, boop, boop, be gone. We don't even talk about Body Shop here. The Body Shop? What? I haven't talked about the Body Shop in like 2 years because they're overpriced, okay? But really back. So I wanted to give you guys the information that I have on the sales coming up and just, you know, let you know about some items that I hope come back in my plan for the sale. Now, I have so much Bath and Body Works that I don't need to be at the sale. I need to be like, yo, oh, they having an SAS, that's cute. Okay, let me watch y'all hauls. Let me watch y'all haul it. But I'm going to the SAS. I don't need to be there. I need absolutely nothing from the SAS. When I mean nothing, I mean nada. But I am going to go to the SAS anyway with a very small budget. The SAS starts June the 10th and it's going to go for 4 weeks. See, they trying to get the coin, okay? They trying to get your coins, okay? 4 weeks. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 weeks. 4 semanas. 4 weeks. Is the SAS. Like, why are they doing this to me? Like, why are they doing this to me? Knowing I don't need to be up in there because I barely found enough room in my room to carry all the Bath and Body Works I have now. And I've heard that the Victoria's Secret sale should start in the same time frame as well. Now, it's funny, Victoria's Secret is already on sale right now. Victoria's Secrets, I heard they're going out of business. I don't know if that's true, but I know they're closing a lot of stores. And Victoria's Secret is just overpriced. Like, I love pink. Y'all know I love to wear some pink, but pink is high. I don't care. On sale, a shirt is $25. $25 for a shirt on sale? Like, where they do that at? And like, the shirts are normally like $50 for something that says pink across the front. What's so special about the shirt? Like, it's not the material, because their material has fallen all the way off. So it's not the material, because half this stuff is see-through. I was going to say curse word, but you know, we don't curse like that on this channel. But a lot of the stuff is kind of see-through now, especially those legging tees. So it's like, what are you really giving us that makes us want to say, here's $70 for a pair of joggers? What is pink giving us that says $70 for a pair of joggers is a great deal? Nothing. I'm sorry. Nothing. And this is coming from a pink lover that spends a lot of money with pink in Victoria's Secrets. They're not giving what I need for that cost. The price point don't equal up what they're providing. And it's just that. So the SAS for pink Victoria's Secret, you might see one haul. You might, because I don't see myself really wanting much from that, because the deals are never that great unless they have something that's just, oh my god, I had to have it. I'm not going to. But yeah, the key to them, and this is for Bath and Body Works too, I guess this is tips, dates, everything in one video. But the tips, especially with Victoria's Secret, make sure you shop early. Shop early. Like the day the sale starts, shop early. Yeah, you'll spend a little bit more in the beginning, but save that receipt, because when things go on sale, take your butt back to that mall, hand them your receipt, they'll give you the difference. So yeah, you might have to fork out an extra 20-30 bucks in the beginning, but you'll get your $20-30 back in the end if those items go on a deeper discount. So that's always something you need to keep in mind. So definitely make sure you keep that in mind for the sale. And the same with Bath and Body Works. If your store cool, because some of these stores, these people be acting like they own Bath and Body, some of these associates. So you have to be careful which one you go to and you try to do that. My store is mad cool, so if I tell them, yeah, this one on sale, I need my adjustment, and bring the receipt, they'll do it. But some Bath and Body Works, they just don't. So that is a little word of advice. So make sure you get things early, because what am I trying to say? They sell out quickly at, you know, a little bit higher price you have to pay, but don't worry, you'll get your money back in the end. So that's my first, I guess, tip, while I'm just talking all over the place, is make sure you get your stuff early and get your prices adjusted. My next tip is make sure you get all the coupons. If you're not on the mailer list, make sure you get on the mailer list. If you're not on the send real mail list, like the snail mail list, call Bath and Body Works, be like, hello, Bath and Body Works, put me on that list, honey. And then they'll go ahead and put you on that list, so you can go ahead and get your little mailer on. I had to call and actually get put back on the list, so now I finally get all my coupons, and I'm like, praise God, because I love getting the coupons from Bath and Body. So the coupon that they're gonna be doing is 10 off 40. I think that is not a good deal. I don't care. I want 10 off 30 all the time. Like 10 off 30 was the Jimmy Jam. Why did y'all change the 10 off 30 and now y'all want to do 10 off 40? I want 10 off 30, okay? So that's just me being a little selfish, but 10 off 40, y'all know I'm still gonna go in there and spend 40. So they're gonna be sending the coupons in the mail for that, and of course they're gonna have some that are online that you can take a look at them online and, you know, take them into the store and get your 10 off 40 that way. I'm not gonna let them tip me, y'all. It's 4 weeks in this sale, y'all. I'm gonna bring y'all videos like this. I'm gonna tell you how the videos are gonna break down. One a week is gonna be showing you what's at the sale. I'm gonna go to a different location each week and show you what's at the sale at that location. Then there's gonna be 2 hauls, maybe 3, but I'm not gonna go ham. Okay, you can have it your way, but don't get crazy. Okay, so I'm not gonna be going crazy this time, because my pocketbook said no. My pocketbook said no, so I can't go crazy. But I can show you what the different stores have, and I can bring you 2 to 3 hauls. And I just don't have the space. Like, I'm looking at my collection over here, and knowing that my collection is in 2 separate places because it's so huge, I'm like, I don't need it. I don't need it. I don't need it. I don't even need to be there. I don't even know why I'm going, but I am gonna go because I know you guys like it. And plus, something about them bags, like Michael said the same thing. It's something about those red and yellow bags and the duck. Like, it's something about that made me go, oh snap, here we go, here we go. Like, I get like all excited, and I see the stuff in the store, and then I black out, and then next thing you know, the lady tells me your total is $97, and I'm like, bitch, where? This stuff's supposed to be 75% off. $97. This supposed to be $97. And then I look at all the stuff I bought, and I'm like, yes, $97. But it's still like, you think about the savings, you save $300. So you spend $97, but you save $300. You winning, you know? But when you have so much stuff, it ends up that you're not winning so much because now you got too much crap, you know? So don't overdo it. Like, you're gonna see us on going ham on YouTube. You're gonna see us during the SAS. I know this is turning into tips, advice, everything. You know me, I'm ADHD, so I go all over the place. But you're gonna see us haul. You're gonna see us show you a lot of stuff. But I want to tell you guys, do not overdo it. Do not overdo it, especially if you don't have the budget to do it. Don't do it, because y'all, I ain't gonna lie, I'm watching these Sephora VIP hauls, and I'm like, girl, what's that? Girl, what's that? Oh, you spent how much? You got what? Oh my God, I just watched Little Miss Cute Nurse. Her video 55 minutes long with her haul. I'm like, girl. But I know my pocketbook is telling me, girl, nah, I can't do that right now. And that's okay, you know? So just because you see us do it and you see us go ham, do not follow suit if you cannot do, because it's not worth going broke just so you can show out. It's just not, because who gonna see the Bath and Body Works? Ain't nobody gonna see it. They can smell it, they ain't gonna see it. And then if you make videos about it, they'll see it for a second, and then that's gonna be it. So don't overdo it is one of my advice tips. And I'm gonna have to tell myself that, because I do black out when I go in the store, especially during a sale. But I'm gonna have to take a picture of my collection, and when I go in the store, remind myself, okay, I have this already, I have this already, I have this already. And speaking of what I already have versus what I don't have, what am I looking forward to coming to the sale? Okay, so what I'm looking forward to, and I'm praying they bring back, is Tutte Dulce. I want the Tutte Dulce line. Like, they need to bring it back. I swear, if it's 50%, they bring it back and it's 50% off, I'm gonna be like, thank you kindly, and I'm gonna gladly pay the 50% off price, because the White Mocha Kiss, I used up my lotion in it. I need more White Mocha Kiss. I need that whole line. And the Peony one, I need that too. And then there was some more other ones in it, and I'm just gonna buy them to buy them. So if Tutte Dulce comes back, that's the only thing like I'm really hyped about. Like Malibu Heat, I got some Malibu Heat, so that's okay. What is it? The True Blue Spa. I am looking forward to True Blue Spa, so I hope that comes back. I know they had their active line like they had that came out the last SAS, where they had the detoxing charcoal and all that stuff. So if that came back, I would grab a few things in that too. But like I said, I really have to pick and choose what I'm going to be getting this sale, because I own so much already. As far as candles, what candle would I buy? Y'all, I don't need another candle. I don't need another candle in my life. But I really am going to get the, what is it? The crisp apple. I think it's crisp green apple or something like that. Everybody's reviewing it. And I watched, who did I watch that just sealed it for me? Oh, goodness. Myra and Kyla. Yeah, so I watched them, and oh my god, I hope that's me and Grace one day. It's a mommy daughter channel. Definitely check them out. I'll leave the link below. But it's a mommy and daughter channel, and they share the same loves, and they bring us videos, and I love them. Like, they are so down to earth and sweet. I love them. So check them out. I'll leave their information below, because I love their channel, and I just hope that's me and Grace one day. Like, we be sharing the same stuff, and you know, like, but don't touch my stuff kind of thing. Like, I buy you your own, don't touch mine. So I hope me and Grace get that kind of relationship that they have. I think it's so cute. But yeah, she put the seal on the deal for that green apple candle, because I really wasn't going to get that, and then kept seeing reviews, and then they talked about it, and I'm like, okay, I'm going to get that. Right now it's online only, so I'm hoping to hit stores. If not, I'm just going to have to order it online. I don't want to, but if I have to, I have to. So that's the only candle I'm looking forward to. Some new candles already dropped. I'm not too interested in the new candles. I'm just not. I think because I own so many candles, I'm kind of candled out at the moment. Like, my candles, because of course I didn't have room in my room, my candles are in the laundry room on the top part, and I'm like, oh my gosh, I have over 35-40 candles. How many candles does one need, honey? But I say that, and then I say, if I say that, and then I'm thinking, oh my goodness, if root beer float and all that come back, I'm gonna go in and get those too. So y'all sometimes don't listen to me, but and then I was like, oh man, what if the 75% candle 3 weeks come back with the testers? Yeah, don't listen to me. Don't listen. Can we edit this? Remind myself, edit that out. I'm just playing. I'm not going to edit out. But see, I'm so ADHD. Look, I'm going to give myself a 10 candle limit. It went from no candles. No, it went from 1 candle to, okay, I'm going to give myself a 10 candle limit. But that's only if they're 75% off. If they're not 75% off, I don't know. But that Apple one ain't going to be on sale. I mean, it ain't going to be nothing but the $14.95. But yeah. If they have 75% off 3 weeks, my limit is 10. So let me give myself that, because I just know me. You know what I mean? You know what I mean, string thing? Okay. So yeah, my limit, if they are 75% off, will be 10. If they're not 75% off, my limit is 6. And then I'm done, because I'm going to have to save up for Candle Day, because I know we only in May, but shoot, it's already May. next thing you know, it's gonna be December. So I'm gonna have to start saving my little coinage. So when candle day comes, cause I did pretty good last candle day, only spent $100 something, but this candle day, I want to spend a lot more. So I'm gonna be saving for candle day. So why some of y'all saving to buy makeup, I like to save to buy candles because I'm crazy like that. Okay, I'm crazy. I'm cray just a little bit. Just a little cray, okay? So yeah, that's it. I'm trying to think any information I forgot because I go off on a tangent. Like I have my notes here on my phone. So all my notes are on my phone, but I go off on little tangents and told you about ADHD get going. I'm just like, Space Cadet. I turned into a Space Cadet and half the things I don't remember I'm supposed to talk about. So I told you the sale date, June the 10th. Told you how long. 4 weeks. Told you my wish list. Go back in the video if you didn't get all my wish list. I told you guys how to save money, coupons, and getting on mailer lists. And make sure you're on the email list too, because that's how you know when they're gonna have like flash deals. Today $3.95, today $2.95. Y'all, they had a sale yesterday that in select stores in certain states they had $2.95 big shower gels. Of course they didn't do it in Texas because I had my girl at my store. Look, I said, girl. She said, what? I said, do they got that sale for $2.95 here? And then she read off the whole list and it wasn't here. But they had that sale and you wouldn't have known that if you're not on the list. So definitely make sure that you're on the email list too. And then one last tip, and I don't know how I forgot. If you must shop online because you live too far from a store, go through Ebates. The information, always leave Ebates link below. I try to leave it almost every video because the Ebates life is real, okay? I get cash back. I get a check every quarter. Like this last check I just got, I used to get stuff from the Sephora VIB sale. I used my cash back for that because honey didn't have all that money to be at the VIB like that. But it was time for the Ebates money to drop, and they said, do you want the money or do you want us to give you a gift card? You can choose all these different places, and one of the gift cards was Sephora, and I said click click and got the Sephora gift card. So Sephora VIB sale on the way, just wait on it. Yeah, my haul is on the way. It should be here, so you'll be able to see it next week. But I get so off the chain. Like, I'm trying to think, is there anything else I was supposed to? I hit all the points. Have a blessed day. I'm about to get off here. Like, y'all, look at my face, no makeup on. You can't even see my eyelashes because honey's ain't hardly got no eyelashes. Okay, so I'm gonna get off here. I love you guys. Have a blessed day. Remember, rate, comment, subscribe. If you're going to the sale, what is one thing you're looking to get at the sale? Let me know in the comments below. What's the one thing you're like super duper excited about for the sale? That way maybe I can grow my list a little bit, because I am going to have a list, but we already know when we go in there and we get going through the bins and looking around and the sales associates start talking and all that, we don't stick to our list half the time. But let me know, that way I can keep it in the back of my brain, and if my ADHD is working good that day, I'm focusing, you know, and ain't out of control and I don't lose my mind in the store, I can refer back to the video so I know what I need to pick. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember, rate, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.